remember 2023, it was in August. No?
Yes.
We developed events for a whole week. So parang isa siyang motorsport week. Now, we added special events. Took us a while sa part ng creatives and creating it. So we're focusing on the basics ngayon, basics. Number one, we're giving back to the kids.
Okay.
Kids, racers, aspirants, yung mahilig, nasa kanila yung passion. We have karting. And then the amateur level provided by Super Sprint. This is the modern day slalom racing. So when you're looking at expenses, you bring the car, whatever car, and you can join. So focus kami also with Joms Cup. It's a 3-category competition, 1 8-mile drag racing. So vintage classic, muscle cars, and supercars. 40 per category.
40. Okay.
And then the full-blown race with international standards provided by Ricky and the governing body will be the rally. So the Rally of Lubang and the Rally of Paranaque. So it took a while for us. And we had to cut it na. Cut it in June. We have more events coming in. Kaya lang malulod tayo lahat. So dito muna tayo. We have formulated na the events for summer, rainy season, and we ended with awardings. So with an awards night, a big awards night, sometime in November.
On November. So parang the whole year meron tayo.
All year, and we're looking at to start earlier next year, January pa lang. Nag-uumpisa na yung races, and we want to bring back yung so Pilipino tayo eh. Ang favorite natin tumambay kasama yung mga kaibigan natin, di ba? So we're trying to bring that back also. So sa pag-concept namin ito, we're looking at a bright future. And siguro Ricky Deliaco can provide us the potential also of yung doing international events.
Okay.
Yes, if I may add to that, my current role with the Automobile Association of the Philippines is to develop motorsports further. Now, when Jomery and I came up with Motorsport Carnivale, I found this as a medium, as a vehicle that would help expedite my dream of really putting motorsports back in its heyday and even better. When I say heyday, I'm talking about the era of the 70s and 80s. This was the period where we would host international events and foreign competitors from all over the world would come and compete. That didn't happen while I was actively participating, but now that I have experience in the different kinds of motorsports, not only as a driver, but currently as an international official in races worldwide, malaking opportunity itong partnership namin for me to achieve that goal. Talking about international events, just recently, and this is a current topic between Jomery and I, apart from the 3 events that I earlier mentioned, there is a possibility that we will be able to bring in, albeit a simple race event, but it is of international status. So again, this is something to look forward to. If we're not able to achieve that this year, we can look forward to that happening next year. Of course, this is also going to be, we're going to be in discussion with the international promoters, but I'm crossing my fingers we're able to do something international within the year, but if not, next year.
So may mga international car racer.
Yes.
So,
Yes. The FIA, the World Motorsport Governing Body, with which the AAP is a member of, has been quite aggressive in introducing different programs in order to increase the number of motorsports participation. And the Philippines, through AAP, is doing exactly that. So this is the reason we are catering to the amateur level, including focusing on children.
Okay, last na John Marie, parang 2 years ago, meron tayong mga achiever na binigyan ng awards, I remember. So this year ba may mga nakaline up na bibigyan natin din, di ba? Natatandaan din.
Yeah, ang awarding natin end of the year. So lahat ng competitors natin, ang awards night, everyone na mananalo, ano tayo towards the end of the year na sometime in November. And we would also like to recognize also, I consider heroes natin.
Heroes.
The guys behind international racing teams. And meron tayong mga mechanics, hindi natin kilala. Most of us, no? And these are families. Yung iba sa kanila magkakapatid. Also, younger generation. They travel abroad every weekend. They are hired to support the teams who are actually winning. Pero hindi nabibigyan ng exposure. I would like to recognize them. We have a few prominent names who's been in the industry of drag racing, rally, among others, karting, na also we would like to recognize. We're giving special awards to them at the end of the year.
Okay, kasi naalala ko na. Anyway, thank you and good luck sa event.
Thank you, Don Don. Before I give the microphone, si Amber.